release time. RC Beauty Labrights. Oh my gosh, y'all, I'm so ready to show y'all what these colors can do to women of color skin tones. I mean, just in general, how nicely they apply. So I'm going to take the blue from my palette. This is the Labrights, and I'm going to take the blue and I am going to apply it. Oh, look at the blue, guys. Look how pigmented that blue eyeshadow is. I'm going to take the blue eyeshadow and I'm going to apply it to the crease, and I'm going to make sure with the blue eyeshadow, I don't know, if it's something with blue eyeshadow, I like to use a firm blend because sometimes it can be a little hard blending blue eyeshadows in general. But I'm just going to take it, I'm going to apply it to the crease and make sure I use a firm windshield wiper motion. That's how I called it back in the day in my earliest stage of YouTube. But I'm just going to blend it all the way to the bridge of the nose and up into the crease. So I'm going to be taking the second palette, and the first palette, and I'm going to use the black from the crease. And I'm going to be taking the black from the crease, and I'm going to be blending it into the crease. And also I'm going to be using windshield wiping motions, doing that as well. So basically, whenever I'm applying more than one color, that's basically what I use. I just twist my wrist left to right, left to right. That's how, look at the flick of the wrist. Yep, left to right. That's exactly how I get the black eyeshadow to work into the crease. I'm going to be going in with LA Colors Concealer. This is one of my favorite concealers in deep. And I'm just going to be using it, cutting out the crease, and also making sure I definitely cut out the crease and make sure I'm setting it with the setting powder. Take the teal from the palette, I'm going to apply it to the lid and inner corner, and also I'm going to take the orange and also the teal, and then I'm going to take the hunter green color and I'm going to apply it all on one lid. Then I'm going to be applying Morphe eyeliner and Stardust, and I'm going to apply it all over to the lid. to go in with the Glam lashes from Raquel Cosmetics, which is $74. Guys, the lashes are great, so why not go check them out, and I will have them linked below. These are one of my favorites, especially with a bold look. Yes. Lashes are done, and that should complete the look. And don't forget, you guys, on March 27th, which is next Friday, that's when the palette, the Labrights Raquel Cosmetics palette, will be available.